warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Tahir. I am studying 4th standard B section. My name is Muhammad Tahir. I am studying 4th standard B section. My favorite subject is Kannada. My Kannada sir is Rajesh sir. My favorite fruit is apple. I want to become Hafiz Quran and engineer. Arabic teacher is Tabriz Hazrat. My favorite bike is BMW. My car is a BMW. My house is HMS College. My best friend is Arzan and Safan. Thank you for listening to me patiently. Have a nice day.